Have you ever wanted to create that deep, magnetic connection with a woman? One that makes her crave intimacy with you? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share 5 wild and powerful ways to ignite her desire and leave her absolutely hungry for more. These aren't your everyday tips. They're backed by psychology, human connection, and a touch of boldness. Stay with me, because number 5 will absolutely blow your mind. But before we get started, remember, the key to an amazing intimate connection is communication, consent, and a focus on mutual pleasure. So, make sure you and your partner are on the same page. Ready to explore? Let's get into it. 1. Build anticipation with mystery. The first wild way to make her hunger for intimacy is to build anticipation by being mysterious. Women are naturally drawn to curiosity and intrigue. It's hardwired into their psychology. When you keep some things about yourself subtle or enigmatic, it creates a sense of allure that's impossible to resist. Share enough to spark her interest, but don't lay all your cards on the table right away. Drop hints about your passions or your past without diving into every detail. This will make her curious and eager to know more. Be confident, but not overly boastful. Let your actions speak louder than your words. Occasionally pull back and let her initiate conversations. Remember, mystery is like the secret ingredient in a dish. It keeps her coming back for more. 2. Make her feel special with personalized attention. Next up, it's all about making her feel unique. Women crave emotional connection, and one way to build that is through personalized attention. I'm talking about noticing the small details that others overlook. Compliment her on something specific, like how her smile lights up a room or the effort she put into her outfit. Better yet, remember something she mentioned in passing and bring it up later. It shows that you're genuinely paying attention. Mention her favorite book or movie in a conversation. Plan a date based on her hobbies or interests. Text her randomly about something she loves. When a woman feels seen and valued, she can't help but want to deepen the connection. 3. Spark chemistry with playful banter. The third way to make her hungry for intimacy is by creating chemistry through playful banter. A little teasing, a bit of humor, and a whole lot of charm can go a long way. Playful banter keeps things exciting and builds tension in a fun way. It's not about being rude or sarcastic, but rather showing your wit and confidence while making her laugh. Joke about harmless quirks, like her obsession with coffee. Create lighthearted challenges, like who's better at trivia. Keep the tone positive, don't cross into mean territory. When you can make her laugh and keep her on her toes, she'll naturally feel more drawn to you. 4. Master the power of subtle touch. Physical touch is one of the most powerful ways to create intimacy, but the key is subtlety. It's about creating small, meaningful moments that build anticipation. A light touch on her arm when you're laughing together, or placing your hand on her back as you guide her through a door can send the message that you're interested without being too forward. Start with non-intimate areas like hands or arms. Pay attention to her comfort and reactions. Gradually increase the frequency of touches as she gets more comfortable. These small gestures create a connection and build her desire for something deeper. 5. Show your passion and purpose. Finally, the 5th and most important way to make her hungry for intimacy is by showing her your passion and purpose in life. Women are naturally attracted to men who have a clear vision and drive. It's magnetic. When you're passionate about something, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause, it shows confidence and commitment. And confidence? That's one of the most attractive traits you can have. Talk about your goals with enthusiasm. Share stories about challenges you've overcome. Invite her to be part of something you're passionate about. When she sees your ambition and drive, she'll feel inspired and drawn to you on a deeper level. And there you have it. 5 wild ways to make a woman hungry for intimacy. Build anticipation with mystery. Make her feel special. Spark chemistry through playful banter. Master the art of subtle touch. and show her your passion and purpose. Trust me, when you combine these strategies, you'll create a connection she won't be able to resist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who needs this advice. And hey, what's your go-to tip for creating chemistry? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.